You lose a lot of business when you stop such things.
इफेक्ट तो हुआ ही है।
अंडर 18 बच्चे भी जाके वाइन शॉप से खरीद के पीते हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट उसमें कुछ कर नहीं सकती, तो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है 25 एज करके।
आई थिंक जो पीने वाले बंदे हैं वो 25 ईयर्स या 18 ईयर्स वो मैटर नहीं करता, उन लोग पियेंगे।
अंडर एज 25 ईयर्स के बच्चे लोग को नहीं देना चाहिए अल्कोहल, उससे बच्चे बिगड़ जाते हैं और हेल्थ भी ख़राब होती है।
These days many students go astray and do all sorts of things which are not expected from them, drinking, smoking and going the wrong way, while parents never even suspect of these things. So I definitely appreciate this move by the government.
You can marry at 18, you can join the army at 18, you can have the children at 18. But why the government are stopping us from drinking like below 25? So it's I think it's an upset decision which the government are taking.
18 वर्षानंतर प्यायला द्यायला परवानगी द्यायला पाहिजे गव्हर्नमेंटने, कारण जनरली लग्न बिग्न अमुक तमुक मुलं मुली करतात ते 18 वर्षाच्या पुढेच, त्याच्यामुळे अगदी काही कुठची गोष्ट असेल तरी माणूस हा सज्ञान होतो दोन्ही, त्याच्यामुळे चांगला इफेक्ट होईल आणि आपल्या बिझनेसमन जे लोक आहेत त्यांना पण फायदा होईल, सगळे विकणाऱ्यांना वगैरे।
इट्स लाइक इफ यू कीप अंडर 25 then when will we drink?
Feel by 21 everybody is sane enough and mature enough to decide whether they want to drink or no. So raising it to 25 is absolutely not sensible thing to do, I feel.
And I don't think it makes a difference, because I think once you're 21 you are mature enough, sensible enough to know when to stop, what's your limit.
Increasing the age bar is actually good because the youngsters are getting spoiled.
Good that the Maharashtra government has raised the bar to 25, because today's youth don't have control over themselves. As adults they may be responsible, but their actions are very immature, and I'm happy that the government has raised the bar.
Age limit that has been changed to 25 years of age for drinking for youngsters. Well, I'm a doctor and I really don't advise to drink, neither drink and drive. But the government has certain policies which don't really make sense. The more you raise the limit, the more illegally people are going to procure that source of wine. So if you really want to stop a secondary economy or a parallel economy, or you want to curb down on antisocial activities, then either we need to be lenient or it's up to the parents to decide, not for the government to decide what exactly should be there. Because if you can vote, well, you can obviously drink.
इस इशू पर जिस तरह से लोगों के मिक्स्ड रिएक्शंस आ रहे हैं, उसके बाद सरकार ये बात समझ चुकी है कि उनकी ये रोक बचकाना है, और इसीलिए वह अपने फैसले पर फिर से विचार कर रही है। सरकार अपने पॉलिसी में जब तक कोई बदलाव नहीं लाती, तब तक के लिए अंडर 25 एज ग्रुप को अपने आप को काबू में रखना होगा। मैं अदिति बेड़ेकर, MRSC, मुंबई।